everybody. So today I'm going to be making a Le Mans diorama. I'm making this for my husband with a little car that he gave me. It's a car that he owns and it's just a little version of that. So I'm starting out with some air dry clay and just making a little cliff to go inside of my cube mold. And now I'm just putting some Elmer's glue on the top and brushing that on there. I have some static grass that I'm putting on top as well. I have some little rocks. I'm just gluing those into the bottom of my cliff, the underwater portion. I'm putting some little trees in there as well. And I have a turtle. I'm just gluing him in there too. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue the car in there so that it doesn't move around too much. So I'm just gluing the wheels to my cliff. I have some 1-to-1 resin and I just I put a little bit of blue alcohol ink in there. I hung another turtle with some floral wire and I'm just kind of hanging that in there until it cures. Now I have deep pour resin and I've put a very small amount of alcohol ink in there just to give it a hint of blue, and I'm just pouring that all in there and covering the car and everything. I want to say I left this for about 2 days after pouring this. And now I'm just putting some clear on top of that other layer that I poured.
Well, I may be wrong, but I thought that I tried enough for both of us. Like painting pictures, starting fire. So unfortunately, I got a few
bubbles in here that cured this way. So my plan is just to try and make a couple little clouds. I have 2 cotton balls. I'm just going to kind of tear them apart.
I'll give you up one time, I don't know why, but I want you more. I always come back for more. I want you to love me, I need you to stay. Have you found another? Ooh, I want you to love me, and I won't make mistakes. Please just give me something. Ooh, you say I'm crazy. Wow, but I don't care, baby. Wow, you wanna love me and you wanna hate me, but I can walk away.
Just kind of placing it on top of the bubbles and hoping that this will look like clouds. I'm putting some UV resin on top of that, and I'm just going to go ahead and cure it so that it doesn't move around when I put my next layer of resin on. Now I have my Tea Expert 1-to-1 resin, just clear. I'm putting it all over the top. I've mixed up a little bit of white, HTV white pigment paste and some 1-to-1 resin, and just putting a little bit on the top there just to get more of a cloud effect.
Is this really what I think it is?
Hey everybody! So this has been one long project, but I think I'm ready to demold it. So I had some bubbles when I was doing the layer before this past one, and I decided to add some clouds, or the look of clouds, as well as just a little white in there. So let's just see what we got here once I get it all undone. So the bottom, I could still paint that if I wanted, but I remember from the last time I did this, it was really, and it's sharp, difficult to demold. Let's just break the seal, at least on the sides, and then try and get it out like this. Oh boy, I think I cut myself. Let it get a little looser. All right. There. Wow, okay, that worked. That worked well. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. Put that away. Let me go get a paper towel to dry this off. Ah! All right, I need to deburr the top, but let's take a look at this so you can see what I have here. So this is a car that my husband owns, and he, a while back, gave me the little car to put inside a resin. And then I have my two little turtles here, and they're cute. And it looks, I have some bubbles that happen to be right here, and it kind of looks like the turtle is breathing, in my opinion. And so then I have my little cliff with the car, and then here is just the side of the mountain and some trees, and the back of the mountain with the car and the tree. You can see it pretty clearly. You can see both turtles from this side, as well as some little plants I put in there, and the car. And my clouds, well, you can see them better from the top, but I was just trying to, you see here on where the bubbles were, because I didn't watch it, I gathered some bubbles there, so I was just trying to cover it up with those clouds, and I think it worked pretty well overall. Here is the final piece. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. If you're interested in seeing how I made the stands, I'm going to link the video on how to do that down below. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below.